She wants to come and smell the flower nicely. Nicely. She wants to smell the flower.
Oh,
no, you don't eat it. Aphrodite, you smell it. Show her how you smell it. Okay, smell the flower. Heister. No! It's a really nice day today to make the sand pit. What have you found it? Yeah. Good. Ooh, where are you? You're so fast. So we're building the sand pit up here. And we've got a little fence for the children so they don't go down to where the water is near the lake. We have put tarpaulin down with some bricks. We went and got those pieces of wood. We went and got the sand, which you guys are already using. Yay! You're gonna love your sand pit. We got our black buckets and black spades. And over here are the chairs that we got. We managed to find all white ones, which was great. Open that packet up and show. They're sort of like beach chairs. The lady said that you're able to sit on that. Have a try, Jerusalem. Nah. You don't want to test it because it might break. Test it. We got 4 of them, that should be enough. And then we've got 4 little chairs and 2 little tables. So we got the black and white theme going on. And also over here we've got our house from last year. We don't want to change it. We're thinking about painting it white, but I think I'm just going to leave it because it's going to match the forest. Over here, I wonder if we're going to see a fox today. Excellent work. Are you getting hot in that?
Yes. Can I go change?
Yeah, go and change. Go and change. Put shorts on. Yeah. Yes? There's a bee thing. There's a bee. It's a bee. There's a bee. Has it left? Get it.
Still there.
Can you get it?
Why would you kick a bee?
I don't know. Is it gone?
It's still there.
Romeo, how is it? People watch me do the bee dance. So these little guys here, they're having fun. I think we need to make this sand pit quickly because they're spreading the sand around.
Hey, that box can be in my my YouTube channel.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bee that's coming inside of my camera. No. There's some beehives down the end of where we live. But we actually have seen foxes and 3 different deers in this forest here. It's beautiful to live here. Okay. Was there an ant trying to get you?
Yeah.
It was trying to eat your leg?
Yeah. That was everything.
Yeah, it's gone now.
I'm not big anymore, then.
You were scared of it. Cleopatra's back. Off to work you go. And you got your mobile phone. You could use the mobile phone to dig holes. Romeo, I think we categorize you as someone who is helping. So you need to get off the beach chairs. It was annoying me too. You look very lazy there. You need to start helping. Perfectly in time for you to carry all this heavy stuff. You guys are working so hard. You got a piece of straw in your mouth. That makes you look extra lazy.
Press the inside.
I don't want to. Can I try the other one because it's the wrong hand? Is it going to be disgusting? Is there something in it? Oh, it's all dirty and sweaty. Yeah. I thought there was going to be a spider or something in it, so I thought I'll just go for the other one.
I have to go use the...
Yeah.
Ew.
Okay, try lifting it. That thing at the back on the right is a cage for a dog. We don't have a dog, so we've never used it.
It's starting to rain.
Wait, what?
It can't, it was just sunny.
No, it's not.
Look.
Oh.
It's just a few seconds of raining. Look at those cars.
There is a spot of rain. Oh, it did.
Yep.
It did rain. Oh no. It was just sunny. Quickly get it done. They can play in the rain in their sand pit. They don't care. Just quickly get it done. You've got all the screwing of the wood to do still.
No, I don't want you doing it. You
Don't drop, the toe will come off and walk away.
I have a friend in Australia who is missing 3 toes. Honestly, she is. Hey, sweetie. Aphrodite, that bee is back. Aphrodite. You're so cute. Bita. Nee, it's raining. Aphrodite. Sweetie pie. You're such a cutie. An aeroplane? An aeroplane? Lento kone.
Yeah.
Aphrodite, you got crazy. You got crazy hair.
No!
No, the sand is in the wrong place now. You'll have to pick it up piece by piece.
I'm sorry to say.
What?
No, this is not.
What?
You'll hear it on the background.
Muscles, Cleopatra.
Where are you going?
She is bringing all the heavy tiles. Bring them over. Oh, that feels... A mosquito got you. It's okay. I love you, princess. You're such a good little girl. She's learning how to read. She's very good at counting. She's 3 years old. Guys, it actually is starting to rain. Oh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, you killed the mosquito. Let me see it, let me see it, let me see it. There it is. Oh, where is it? There it is. A dead mosquito. You killed the mosquito! Put it in his mouth. He can eat it.
No.
Did you freak? You freaked out also. King James, do you want to lift one over here? Get one of them and lift it over here.
James, not that one.
It's not happening. It's Jerusalem's rest day. He does weights every second day, and today he's meant to be resting. And here he is putting tiles down. But tonight I will wax your hair so that will make up for it, okay?
Yep.
And order some more dread wax and dread shampoo. It is, there's little droplets of rain coming down. Let's go see if there's any berries. Are there berries, guys? Are the berries out yet, guys? Please, no spiders. Let's have a look. I think they're supposed to be out right now. There we go. Oh, that's too little. Where's some bigger ones? Oh, there's one. They're not totally ready yet. Where did I see it? Where is it? I saw it and it disappeared. I saw it. There it is. No, there's a few on this one.
So we'll take this one, that one, and take this one.
When they all come out, we'll go and pick a whole heap, okay? Yummy. We've got blueberries,
Look at this.
raspberries,
There's a lot.
and these red ones. I can't remember what they're called, but they make you make a scary face when you eat them.
They're really sharp.
We've got a big forest here, and we get so many kilos of berries. It's really nice living here in the middle of the forest. We're gonna have one bus in the afternoon and one bus really early in the morning. So now you're eating them all. You know we're meant to be making the sand pit. Okay. Aphrodite, are you coming to have some berries?
Can I give one to her?
Okay, give her some berries. Don't let her put them on her clothes. Give her a berry straight into her mouth.
Okay, here's two. Give one.
Into her mouth. Oh, that's some topping.
Hey, got that Aphrodite.
I can see your pants, Shakespeare.
No, that way.
You're trying to be some homeboy or something. Okay guys, we need to go back and make the sand pit. Come with me.
Yeah.
Let's go back home. We're coming.
For me.
Go, go. Shakespeare, stop eating the berries.
Taking 3.
You're taking 3. We'll come and pick a whole heap of them when they have finished growing. I actually send the children outside in the morning to get berries, but there will be more later. We can't get a whole heap of them right now. We've actually made porridge and gone and got fresh berries to put right on top of it. Wida, she didn't come with you and come and get some berries. Cleopatra, what was the excuse? You don't like what?
Bugs and spiders.
Yeah, so your sister ends up without blueberries because you don't like bugs and spiders. Is that right?
Blueberries. I can watch from the line.
Hey, Aphrodite! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, you're so cute! That's your little house. Hi! You're in your house. Hello, Nefertiti! Our little Bambi and Bambi. 2 little Bambis in the forest. Oh, she ate that. Aphrodite saw this piece of fruit that I had cut out, or a few bits of fruit, and she actually ate the paper. Shows that we didn't feed our child that day.
You did.
I know. But she saw fruit and she decided to eat it. But listen, she was under 1 year old then.
Yes.
So she doesn't normally eat paper. When they're under 1, they'll eat anything. Leonardo ate a cockroach. You ate a cockroach. Leonardo ate his own poo. Can we put that on there? What are you looking at? Oh, there's a beautiful flower. Don't rip it out. No, don't rip it out. Smell it. Because smell how nice it is. It's a tiger lily, I think. Wow. That's so beautiful. Do you want to smell it? Did you see the way you smelled it? King James, smell it. Smell it. What happened?
I threw it in the air and he goes and runs under it.
Oh my gosh, why did you run underneath it? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Why did you run underneath it? Did you know what was happening?
No.
Okay, shake it off. Shake it off. Oh my god, that's a heap of yuck. Yeah. Well, I think it's fair. Can he do it to you now?
No.
Oh no, don't hit your brother. You're trying to whack it.
it forwards. Getting it out.
I want to see King James smell this flower again. Did you see the way you did it? He goes, how do you do it?
You got the dirt out like this.
King James, come and smell the flowers again. Oh!
By accident.
No,
No, that wasn't on purpose. He clearly started throwing before he thought.
I think you're sticking up for your buddy who's done a crime.
You okay?
That mom.
Don't throw rocks.
So sorry.
I'm Dexy.
I know I'm
I'm
dead.
Dexy. Oh, Shakespeare.
I'm not going to put this on the video.
Oh God, you could have got that on the video. Aww.
It's like this.
No, don't do that. No, no.
Like my mom's videos, make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment.
You know, I hate those. I don't like it.
It's Fortnite, Mum.
It's Fortnite. Fortnite made it.
I don't know what Fortnite is.
No, it wasn't.
I thought it was cool.
Mummy doesn't know what Fortnite is. Okay, so King James got away with it because his buddy stood up for him. And Aphrodite is in pain. As you can see, she's screaming her head off because a stick was thrown at her. Yay! Yeah, you're so beautiful. I love you. Have you got sand? If only your brothers and your sister would build the sand bit more faster. Yeah. So exciting. Can you guys hurry up? They're spreading the sand everywhere. Yeah, keep the... Romeo, do you want to put the sand back on there? It's going to be hard to move in a moment. So, what's the deal with the crappy dancing? At least you didn't do the worst part, which was that other part they do. That other one with the arms backwards and forwards like that. That's a really dumb one. Yeah, that one. I don't like that one. That's even the worst.
Backpack kid.
Aphrodite, I think you're missing the bucket. It's a dance floor. Well done, King James. Yeah, you're so cute. I know I keep saying they're so cute, but I just love them so much. You're jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Can you go and smell the flower? Oh, lift him over. He wants to come and see the flower. Lift him over. King James, here. Smell the flower.
King James did not know at that moment.
Smell the flower.
Just blow
Smell
it
it again. I don't think.
understand
Look
that.
at the cooker.
That's the whole reason. We watched him before. He goes,
Aphrodite!
Kuka,
Aphrodite!
Kuka, come and smell the flower. No, don't put it in her face. You can't do that to her. She wants to come and smell the flower nicely. Nicely. She wants to smell the flower.
Oh
No, no, you don't eat it. Aphrodite, you smell it. Show her how you smell it. Okay, smell the flower. Heister. No! Okay, protect the plant. Oh no, she's wrecked it. Aphrodite.
No, don't eat it.
No, no. Oh my goodness.
King James, minute. Meh?
She broke my kneecap to get up.
Did you shove it in his face? These two guys share a bedroom. Let's put it this way, there's a lot of giggling that comes from that room. I don't know what you guys are sometimes doing. Jerusalem just said, let's not knock this over. And Aphrodite looked at the pile of screws and smiled. Hey, hey! Where are you going? Bye-bye, matey. What? Yeah, there's a car. And this is all that's left of the plant. It was balanced and beautiful, but now it's not. Aphrodite! There's a kind of a special, what kind of creature is this growing up?
Please don't. What is that? Who put it there?
Jerusalem thought of a really good idea for the sandpit, which created more work. He considered not saying it, but then he thought, it's got to look good for his little brothers and sisters. Was that the thought on your mind?
Yes.
You want it nice for them? The sun has come out. It's been so sunny, sunny, sunny. Then it went really dark. And then it rained a few sprinkles. I know, I felt 2 sprinkles. And, yeah, you're sweaty. And now, it's back to sun.